Hey, good day everyone. Welcome to Dev 2. I added a few feature here. So let's start right away. So I fixed the police car here. So the lights are inside the light board, not outside like a spotlight like I did at in the first video. So that's pretty much this. So I played with the texture a little bit to make that a little bit better. Also, I added an option menu, so you will be able to select your setting according to your hardware. So I know it's running on a 1060, so a GTX 1060, so it's pretty old card, but it's working on it. It's not great, but it's working, probably around 30 FPS or so. Obviously, if you get a better card, it's going to be better. Um, so the graph look like this. So there's some setting here basically, and for those settings, for example, when you click, it's gonna change the quality of your selection. So shadow for low, medium, high, epic, and cinematic. Basically, cinematic is just killing your your resources for your computer, so I will not advise to use that to play. But if you want to take pictures or something, it's doing well. So that's pretty much that. Just to the menu to change the setting look exactly like this. It's not even done yet. I have to implement the saving of it, so when you set up something, when you reload the game later, it's gonna take your previous setting and not resetting to the default value. So I have to work on this. So the sound and everything that I'm using, it's from those people here. So because I'm using it, so I have to tell their name here. So they're all here. So it's all free asset, but those people provided me some free sounds to use in the project on those websites. So you can take a look. There's a pretty much if you look for sound or something, it's probably on those two websites. So also we're gonna go play, and we're just gonna set up the option so you can see a little bit different. So I'm gonna lower the music. So you have the anti-aliasing, so on or off. It's not gonna change too much, you won't be able to see it. But I'm gonna put everything to low, so you're gonna see a big difference. Now I can see it's looking like this. It doesn't look very great. Alright, so I added some sound for the footstep too. So when you run and walk, it's working well. You can see that the chopper, the lights are gone, and even the police car over there, it's not looking that great. Let me get rid of those guys. There we go. So other than that, you can play with the sound, so it's FX, so when I'm gonna shoot it's gonna be better. So I put some sound, so when you move it, you can see the sound going up and down. So let's increase that so we can see a little bit better. So let's push back to medium. Medium shall not have a big difference from low, but you can see there's a little difference in the background. You can see the shadow. If I go back shadow down, you can see the difference here. I'm gonna put that to high, so you can see there's a better shadow. So everything is pretty much working. So the view distance, so you can play with the setting to adjust with your FPS here. So you can see now I get around 140. So I'm gonna put that at high. So now it's go down to 110, but there's a better quality. So let's see how it's looking now. So now you have the lights on the chopper. Police light over there work better. You have some reflection here, and the flashlight will look way better as well. So yeah, that's pretty much that. So I was working on the option menu, so it's working better. And when you walk too, so the footstep, so just for fun, we're gonna increase everything to epic. So I'm at 670 FPS now, but they're really good quality. We're gonna go full screen. So you can see there's a pretty good quality. But yeah, so you adjust the way you want, and fire looks good. So if you go on fire, you're gonna get damage, obviously. So yeah, that's pretty much this. So catch you on the next video for more development on this game that I'm gonna give for free in a couple of weeks. Okay, see ya.